Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good, Alex. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I am doing great. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is very sunny. So, Alex, what do you usually do in your free time?
Hmm. I like to be outside. On weekends, I often go hiking in the mountains near the city.
Hiking? That sounds tiring. Do you go alone?
Sometimes I go alone. It is very peaceful. But sometimes I go with my friends. We take photos and have a picnic at the top. What about you, Sarah? Are you an outdoor person?
Not really. I prefer indoor activities. I like to stay at home and relax.
Oh, I see. What do you do at home? Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch a lot of movies on Netflix. But my favorite hobby is baking.
Baking? Like cookies and cakes?
Yes, exactly. Last Sunday, I baked chocolate chip cookies. They were delicious.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I am terrible at cooking. I might burn the kitchen down.
Laughs. It is not that hard. You just need to follow the recipe. Maybe I can teach you someday.
That would be nice. Do you have any other hobbies?
Well, I also enjoy reading books. I usually read before going to sleep. It helps me relax.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery novels. I like trying to guess who did it.
Interesting. I usually only read news on my phone. Maybe I should try reading a real book sometimes.
You should. It is very different from reading on a screen.
Thanks for the recommendation, Sarah. It's nice getting to know your hobbies.
You too, Alex. Next time, you should bring me some photos from your hiking trip, and I will bring you some cookies.
Deal. That sounds like a perfect plan.